All right, so here's another example. So this is like an application. So I'm going to read the problem and then the diagram will make more sense. It says a pole tilts toward the sun at an 8-degree angle from the vertical. So this here is the flagpole. So let's say it's slanted. It's used to be this way. Let's say it over time, the wind blew and whatever happened, it bent this way, okay, towards the sun, 8 degrees from vertical. And it casts a 22-foot shadow. So here's the shadow, right? So here's the shadow on the ground. So here's the flagpole, and here's the length of the shadow, okay, because the sun's over here, okay? And so we know that the length of the shadow is 22 feet long. It says the angle of elevation from the tip of the shadow to the top of the pole is 43 degrees. And we want to know how tall is the pole. Well, this is where the law of sines is going to become really handy. Because we know this angle, okay, and we know this length, and we want to know this length. And the cool thing is we know this angle here because they give us the 8 degrees, and this is a right triangle inside here, so that's going to be 98 degrees. So we know this is going to be 98 degrees, right? And so in this case here, we just want to know the length of the flagpole. How tall is the flagpole? So here we've got we almost have enough information, but all we need is C. Yeah. Let's see, we got B. Yeah, we need C. Okay, so C is going to be what? Well, let's do angle C, right? Just like before. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 43 minus 98. So we're going to subtract off 141 from here. So that's going to give us a 39-degree angle, right? Okay, and so now we've got enough information to solve for the flagpole. Okay, so in this case here we have C and C, so now we just go C over sine C, and now we need to find A, so we're going to use A over sine A. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. So we're going to solve for A. So A equals C times sine A over sine C. So C is 22. So it's going to be 22 times the sine of 43 degrees over the sine of 39 degrees. And so now, again, we're going to have to use your calculator. So I'm going to do 22, right? 22 times sine of 48, or excuse me, 43, divided by sine of 39 equals 23.84. So it's approximately 23.84 feet. And that is the answer. All right. Have a great day.